Welcome back to Casa Marina, at least welcome back to us, for a little tour after the renovation. So Steph and I have been here a couple times in the past, all prior to the renovation, and I think after all they've done a really great job with what they've done here. Pools are looking great, but pools are still open. Some of the renovation's not quite complete. It seems like they're just finishing up some stuff around the bar area outside. Looks like they're doing a nice two-story bar area. Can't wait to see what that's like. They put a really neat little food truck you can see there in the middle, which is kind of serving as a little makeshift bar cart right now, which is actually pretty neat. It opens up around lunchtime during the day. There's some snacks there. You can go get, just walk up, get some beers and cocktails and things like that. Kids only, or the family pool there that we just left, walking by the cool little bar cart here. It's kind of up on jack, so it doesn't come and go. It's a permanent fixture to the property there. You can see their menu that they have there. I was there a little early, so not quite time for drinks, although for me, on vacation, any time is a good time for drinks. Don't know about you, but that's how I like to roll. Walking through the terrace here, absolutely beautiful. Really keep this place nice. At night they have heaters going if it's a little cooler out. We had breakfast over in this area one morning. Breakfast was great, fantastic food. Obviously it's a Hilton, it's a hotel breakfast. It's a little on the pricier side. I think after tip and everything, our breakfast was around $82, but it was definitely a nice big breakfast, great coffee, food quality was excellent. And then you can see a little view of the family pool as we walk over here. The other side is the adults only pool. So both of them equal size, great facilities. And then over here you can see the construction on the pool bar area, and then the additional work that they have done outside the building here. They put in this excellent turf field here, which was super cool. There's a spot here where they do the sandcastle work. I believe that's called, the lady that does it, her business is called Just Sand and Water. You can follow her on Instagram. Excellent stuff that she does there. There was a wedding there when we started, so this sand sculpture over here was done specifically for that wedding, which was super cool. They actually removed the names after the wedding, kept the same sand sculpture. They got some games out there, cornhole. Basically, it's a very large beer pong set. You can throw balls in that bucket, play games out there. Our room was in that building. We had a sweet balcony, looked out over everything, as you'll see a little bit later in the video. Private beach, one of the few private beaches in Key West at a hotel. I think if you listen to Kelly and Keith Hopkins podcast, there are only 11 hotels on the island with their own private beach. This is a view from our room in the evening. What an absolutely beautiful view. The lighting outside is excellent at night. It looks great. The whole outside of the hotel looks really great at night. As you can see, these outside passageways. We were on the second floor, cool Mediterranean style. Henry Flagler would be proud. Really a great historic hotel with amazing views, amazing facilities. Looks just, like I said, absolutely beautiful at night. Walk through here on our way out to go somewhere. I don't remember where we were going this night. I think it was the first night we got there, so we might have just been heading out for dinner that night. This is always one of my favorite views, kind of looking down this area with this whole kind of portico area where you can sit on the rocking chairs and just kind of hang out, watch the world go by, right outside the hotel lobby. Right here is the new hotel bar. That did not used to be there pre-renovation, which is really nice. And this hotel lobby is absolutely my favorite lobby of any hotel I've ever been in. That wood ceiling and just the smell of that hotel lobby is something that I will always remember. I don't know what the smell is. They have to pipe it in, but man, is it amazing. I just absolutely love the way it smells. It's just something that's stuck in my memory forever, and I just love it. Then out front, Steph always thinks this guy's going to take her luggage, but he's been in the same spot for a really long time. So, like and subscribe.